Hey there guys, geography lovers and code enthusiasts.
One eternity later.
Enthusiast.
Okay, right. Enthusiasts. Welcome to this wacky and informative guide on how to create a geography quiz using HTML. Get ready to tickle your funny bones and flex your coding muscles at the same time. Let's take a wild journey through the world of coding. And before we start, I shall show you our final result.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, let's start. Let's create a folder and let's name it quiz. And then let's type cmd code dot. It's gonna open Visual Code. Let's create an HTML file, name it quiz.html. Now let's start coding. At the beginning of every HTML, as usual, head, title, let's name it HTML game, style, let's keep it empty for now. Now body, H1, test your geographic knowledge, let's say. Now go down, form, field set, legend, let's say, no, it's wrong. Make it better. Legend question 1. Okay. Now down, let's write our question. What is the capital of, let's say, Tunisia?
برا أمريكا.
Okay, go down. First option, do it. Import. Type equal radio name question 1, say sus, again level, input, type radio name question 1, say Tunis, BR. So let's copy it, make everything faster. Just copy it there. Say Milan. Okay, now let's insert an image. So go. Maybe let's search for Tunisian flag. Go. As easy as you open it. Oh no. Oh my god. Open the image, copy the URL, paste it there, Alt, Tunisia, we'll go down. Now, let's copy all of it for the second question. Build, question 2, say Turkey, 2. Okay, let's try Izmir, Ankara, Istanbul, the same thing, Turkish flag, got it, can go, no, this are bad, shit, okay. Copy URL, paste it, change the all Turkey, and field set, copy, paste. Question 3. Now let's try Ghana. Lagos. Say Accra. And Fiji. Same thing. Flag of Ghana. Open it. copy URL, paste it there, Alt, copy it, question 4, let's say, try Switzerland. صايرخ version there. As usual, the flag. This one is bad. Let's see this one. Copy, paste there. The alt, I forgot Ghana. Then Switzerland. Copy again for the last, let's say the last question. Still Canada. Okay, Ottawa, Toronto, Montreal, Canadian flag. Which one? Let's take this one. Copy and paste. Alt Canada. Okay, let's change question 2. Everything. Question 3, 4, and 5. Now let's write ID correct. Write ID in the correct answer. Let's remove this. Add that. Okay, correct. Go to the other question. It's Ankara. ID correct 2. Oh shit. Correct 2. Okay. Correct 3. Correct 4. And correct 5. Okay. Now we'll go input. Let's input our submit button. Type submit, value, same submit. And now the reset button. Type reset, value, reset, the same. Capital letter in the S. Okay. Now we get out from form. Go to script now. Div. First of all, div ID. Result. That's the result. And now we go. Now Java script. Hit down. Const form equal document. Query selector. Form. Const result equal document query selector. Again, hashtag result. Form dot add event listener. Submit function event. Okay, now let's go down. Event point. Prevent default. Let correct answer 0. Then if document dot query selector have hashtag correct run dot checked correct answers become plus, copy this, paste it again, do 2, third answer, 4th, and the 5th. Now result dot you got plus correct answers. Out of 5 questions, correct. Okay, finish, close that. That's it. Let's try to run it. This is without the style, how it looks like. Now, let's go to the style now. Body, sound, family, let's do Arial, sans serif, background image, let's make the background as an image, you know, let's say world map. Okay, let's choose this one. As usual, we copy the URL, bam, down, background size, cover, background, repeat, no repeat, text, align, center, padding 50 pixels. Now each one for the title, font, size, okay, color, let's say, yeah, hashtag 333, like a dark gray, margin, bottom 40 pixels, form, width 600 pixels, color, no, color margin, auto, 0 auto, text align, left, level, font size 20 pixels, margin right, say 20 pixels also. Now input, let's do this, input type, radio, this is for the answers, margin right, say 10 pixels, input, now type for the submit button, down, font size, let's say 20 pixels, padding 10, 20 pixels, background color, let's say the same, color, say hashtag FFF, it's white, border radius, let's say 5 pixels, cursor, let's say pointer, margin at the top 40 pixels, and now hashtag result for result, font size, let's say 20, 24 pixels better, color, same, margin top 40 pixels, input for a type reset button, for the reset button, font size 20 pixels, padding 10 pixels, 20 pixels, background color dark gray, color white, border none, border radius 5 pixels, cursor pointer, everything the same as the submit button. Margin top 20 pixels. Then we go down. Now field set, background color, say dark white, better. This is another code for white. Border 1 pixel solid and dark gray. Border radius 5 pixels. Padding 20 pixels. Border box shadow 2 pixel and 10 pixels, and let's say dark gray. Margin bottom 40 pixels. Now let's do the last one, which is image. Width 200 pixels, height 100 pixel, margin right 50, display select, border radius 5%, 5. And that's it. We'll change the code, guys, and let's see the result now. So here's the page. Let's try to answer these questions. Is better. Ankara, Dawa, submit. We've got 5 out of 5. And that's it. And there you have it, guys. A fun and educational geography quiz coded with HTML. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep on coding.